Hi everyone, welcome back to the Folding Ladies YouTube channel. I'm Sophie, I'm the Folding Lady, and welcome to my Christmas gift wrapping series. So today I'm going to show you how to wrap cylinders, and we're going to do a couple of different shapes. We've got a tall cylinder here, and we've got two smaller cylinders here. I'm also going to show you how to do these cute little bows that you can pop on top of your cylinders. Before we start, I'm going to show you what you need. You'll need some ribbon or maybe something that you want to pop on the top. And you'll also need some sellotape. I'm using, and I think I've said this in every video so far, but I'm using Sellotape's plant-based sellotape. One thing I want to show you about this sellotape that I really love is that it tears really easily, just like that. So if you can't find your scissors, which let's face it, always happens at Christmas, this sellotape's going to be a godsend. So if you're ready to do some gift wrapping, let's start.